A very good morning to the respected dignitaries and my dear friends. First of all, I wish you all Happy World Environment Day. Today, I, Mayank Tiwari, is presented here with some wonderful facts and an article. So let's begin with it. Environmental facts. Today is World Environment Day 2021. Number 1. The UN General Assembly in 1972 established World Environment Day. Number 2. The first World Environment Day was celebrated on the 5th of June 1973. You can also see the images I have attached below. Number 3. World Environment Day has its very own anthem which was written by Indian poet Mr. Abhay Kumar. So it's a thing on which we have to feel proud, and the anthem is written below. You can see the words lyrics of that anthem, Earth Anthem by Abhay Kumar. Number 4. Over 80 trillion aluminium cans are recycled every year, and just one of them is enough to power a TV for 3 hours. Number 5. Over 100 countries are involved in the public outreach campaigns of World Environment Day. Number 6. According to a WWF report, the rate at which the population is growing, it is estimated that humankind will need 3 planets to sustain life by the year 2050. So you can assume how the population increasing day by day. Number 7. Food waste across the world contributes to 14% of global carbon emissions. So never waste food. Number 8. There is no one way of celebrating World Environment Day. Every country celebrates it in different ways like parades, environmental outreach programs, street rallies, concerts, etc. Number 9. Around 27,000 trees are cut down every day to supply the growing demand for toilet paper. Number 10. The theme for this year for World Environment Day is ecosystem restoration. Now let's move on to the article. So here's the article which is written by me. The title of the article is Our Future, Our Mother, We Have to Save It. Whole world is going through the pandemic of COVID-19, and I think that within these 1.5 years of pandemic we have realized the importance of many things. I believe that the nature has given the punishment to the world of disrespecting it and not giving importance to it. But still, there are many people who haven't been aware and conscious for their nature, for their world. I think the people have forgotten their Mother Earth. Across the period of time, we saw the immediate need of oxygen. But still, in our district, people are talking about the cutting of forest in Bakswaha in search of diamonds. Look how the world has become greedy and alluded for the money and for his own body comforts. He has forgotten that the nature has given him a beautiful life. Instead of thanking the nature, he is harming it. This, a mother goddess, and we are the lineage of this world. We are educated and also able enough to protect it. We should plant more and more trees. In large cities, we should aware public about terrace gardening. We all have to take a resolution that we all will plant more and more trees and will stop the sins like deforestation and all. Only we and we can do so, as this is our world, our Mother Earth, and we are the future of this world. Thank you. So let's end this presentation with a very wonderful thought that let's nurture the nature so that we can have a better future. This thought have a very deep meaning. So go through with it again. Thank you so much. Have a nice day ahead.